I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gladys here. Welcome back for a new video, and I can't wait for you guys to see what we're going to do. Today we're going to decorate my front door and entryway all for fall. Guys, I'm super excited to do that because I'm not actually decorating my whole entire house for fall, quote unquote, or just like getting a little bit my feet wet into the fall decor. If you want to see what we're gonna end up doing together as I decorate and you sit down and watch me decorate and eat some popcorn, stay tuned guys. But yeah, if this is the very first time you are seeing any of my videos, my name is Gladys. I do lifestyle videos, home decor, and so many other things. I hope you will stick tuned to see more videos coming your way, like Christmas tours and things like that. If these things interests you, please click on that subscribe button. Please leave a like for this video so that we can go ahead and do great more videos in the future. Thank you so much guys. Let's go get decorating.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah.
Okay, so the friend gather here is from the Dollar Tree. Both moms are from Walmart. The friend gather here also is from Dollar Tree. That pumpkin fresh is from Dollar Tree, and the two decor pumpkins are from Walmart. So it's the hay and the welcome sign. The home sweet home with that mat is from Hobby Lobby. This is from IKEA, just in case you want to know, but it's not fall related. I love this, guys. This is from Walmart as well. The Hello Fall is from the Dollar Tree, and the D for our initial, as you saw me putting it today, is from Hobby Lobby as well. Let me back away for you guys. If you see my phone moving or my camera moving, guys, I'm so sorry. My phone just broke as I was filming for you guys, so it's unfortunate, but yeah. But everything here is very affordable, and this grateful and blessed sign also is from the Dollar Tree, and I hope you really enjoyed this, guys. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the entire video. It was my pleasure filming it for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos. We were not able to decorate the entryway, however we are going to go ahead and get that decorated in another video, so definitely stay tuned for that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the whole entire decorate with me. I really enjoyed it. I love the things I got this year. Oh my god, so cute. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos. God bless you guys. Bye guys.